there, April, my mom, Aiko of Yes to Next here,
Hi.
as Mochi saunters in and out here. This workout is a gentle session to help you ease back into movement, and especially great if you've been ill or inactive for a while. And you can do this one seated or standing. And how does that all sound to you, Mom?
Sounds good. I've been getting over a cold, so this would be good to get back into movement.
That's right.
Get my muscles moving.
That's right. And if you have been ill or recovering, do check with your doctor before getting back.
Oh yeah, my doctor said okay.
Awesome.
And go for it.
That's right. And to make sure that you have water available too, to stay hydrated. All right. So with that, we'll take a pause here and get started with our warm-up. Hey, Mom, want to have a seat?
Sure. Thank you.
Okay, have a seat. Let's just gently move the feet up and down. Get the blood flowing. Hey, nice gentle workout to ease back into things.
Get you back into moving.
That's right. Yes, you know, when you're sick, it's very important to rest, and so getting back into it can take a little time and give yourself a break, you know. Take it slow. Okay, stop the feet. Let's just sit tall, everybody, as if you have a little string on top of your head, and just breathe. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Really concentrate on sitting tall. We're really focusing on resetting our posture. We always want our ears, shoulders, hips, knees, ankles all in alignment. That's really good. So sit and stand tall. Take 2 more breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Stand tall. Inhale and exhale. And actually giving 1 more. Inhale and exhale. Very good. All right. Give me some shoulder. Let's go shoulder rolls. Shoulder rolls. Back. Okay. Up and back. Okay. And let's reverse it. Nice and gentle. Wake up those shoulders. Good job. Excellent. All right. Give that a stop. Okay. And ear to shoulder. Let's go to your right here. Over here, this direction. Okay. Stretch those neck muscles out. Okay. And come back to center. And other side, ear to shoulder. Very, very nice. Take a breather here. Come back to center. Let's go into that open close with the arms. Wake up the arms, shoulders, back, chest muscles, everything. Get that air in your chest. Good job. All right. Okay, hands at your side. Let's float those arms up and down here, just like you're flying. My arms are so long, and just be mindful. Good. Very nice. Good job. 2 more. And good, and rest. And you're sitting or standing, give me some ankle circles. So lift the leg up, give us ankle circles, wake the feet up. Wake up feet, wake up ankles. Okay, reverse the circles. Yeah. Good job. All right, and bring that foot down. Let's do the other side. Circles. Very nice. And let's reverse it. And very, very good. All right, nice job on this warm-up. We'll take a pause and get into our gentle workout. All right, so our first gentle movement is just do a side reach. So lift that arm up and reach and down. And if you can't lift your arm up very high, that's okay, whatever your range of motion is here. Okay, we're gonna do 4 more of these on each side. And gentle and down. Breathe. Nice and slow. And breathe. Inhale and exhale. Good. 2 more sets. Inhale and exhale. Good. And 1 more set. Inhale.
Feels good. You can stretch it.
And exhale. Oh, yes. Very nice. Oh, okay. Very nice, everybody. Take a breath here. Inhale and exhale. Okay. Now we're just going to do some toe taps. Let's wake up the feet. Okay, and you can just tap it forward, Mom. Yeah, just tap forward, tap it forward. Good. Okay, tap forward, and let's alternate. Tap forward and tap forward. Good. Tap forward. Getting some blood into your legs, your feet.
Get your toes moving.
Toes moving gently. That's right. And if you wanted to pick up very light weights to challenge yourself, you can do that, but not necessary. We really are focusing on movement, mobility, waking everything up here. Okay, and 2 more. 2 more sets. Good. 1 more set. And very nice. And rest. Okay, rest the legs. Good job. Good job. All right. Let's work on that posture here. So we're putting our fists together, sitting or standing tall, and we're going to pull our shoulder blades together. Hold.
Yeah.
And release. Good. Let's do 10 of these. Pull and hold. Relax the shoulders, everyone. Relax the shoulders. 3. Oh, good. This is 4. Breathe. This is 5. You're looking good. 6 and hold. Breathe. Yeah. 7 and hold. Good. 8 and hold. Breathe. 9. And 1 more. And 10. And relax. Very, very nice, everyone. Okay, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Okay. You're sitting or standing in your chair. Slight bend in the knees. I just want you to step it out to the side and bring it in. Step it out to the side and bring it in. Good. 4 more sets. Yes. Nice and slow. You hear my ankle cracking. Yeah. This is my signature sound, as they say.
You need some oil. The Tin Man will come over and help you.
That's right. Okay. 1 more. And 1 more. And rest. There it is. Yes. I definitely, okay, rest.
I heard it.
And I'm just going to pedal my feet here because I think I need it. I need to pedal my feet here a bit. You can join me if you like. Breathe. All right, take a breath and rest. Take a deep breath. Okay, very good, everybody. All right, we're just going to do a gentle twist. So I just want you to take your arms and your hands on your hip and then your other hip, right here. Hip to hip. Hip, hip, hooray, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to go with you. Yes. Just hip, hip. Yes. Here you go. Breathe it out. Yeah. Nice and slow. Breathe. Give me 4 more from here. 4 and 4. Breathe. 3. 3. Good. 2. 2. And 1 more. 1. And 1. Gently waking up your core.
Yeah.
Okay.
Really.
Very, very nice. All right. Moving down the body here. Glutes.
Moving on down.
Yes. You're standing with me.
Yeah.
Back straight. Hip hinge. And you too. You're sitting. Your feet are solidly on the floor. Okay. Back straight. You're hinging at the hips. And you're coming up gently. Okay. We're going to do 10 of these. Okay. Up. Breathe. And up. Good. These are called good mornings.
Good morning, yeah.
Yes, breathe. Okay, really
That's
working.
what they call it, huh?
Yes,
Good morning.
strengthening the glutes and the hamstrings, okay? So important for walking.
Yeah.
And going up the stairs, keeping you mobile, but in a real gentle way to engage the largest muscle in your body here, your glutes, okay?
The glutes are?
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, so you think about the power you need, right? We think about what you do walking, going upstairs, you really need strong glutes. Okay, breathe. Even getting in and out of cars is super important. Right?
Yeah.
Give me 3 more. Good. And 2.
Just walking. You gotta have your strong glutes.
That's right.
Yeah.
Right. And yes, strong glutes. Breathe.
Up
Okay.
and down the toilet. My favorite move.
Your favorite move. Strong glutes, very important. Okay, take a breath. Very, very nice, everybody. Okay, here's a little different move here. I want you to have your palms facing you, and we're just going to fan out, and then we're going to fan in, okay? It's like a windshield wiper. Here you go. Out, and then bring it in. There you go. That's good. Good for the arms, good for the triceps. It's actually good for coordination, too. Breathe. Breathe. It's like a little fan. Keep breathing, keep moving. If you're sitting or standing, I really want you to sit tall. Yeah. The body doesn't move. You're really engaging your core by sitting or standing tall and just having your arms move like this. Good. And
These work your triceps, huh?
they sure do.
Yeah.
Yep.
See, I'm beginning to know the muscle.
I'm so proud of you. Give me 2 more from here. And give me 1 more. 1 and rest. Rest those arms. Ooh,
Yeah,
very
it's good.
nice.
It's good.
Okay, okay, next move. Okay, sitting or standing. Really want you to have a solid base of support here so you can be a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. We're gonna grab diagonally here and pull it in, okay? Palm up and give me a fist. Palm up and fist. Palm up and fist. And if you can't do this gentle twist, just do it forward, okay? Like you can do it out here, okay? Just like that. Whatever your range of motion. Oh, range of motion.
Push me out.
There you go. And give me fist. Good. Palm up, fist. Breathe. I love this move. Really engaging your core. And sit or stand tall, everyone. Okay? Breathe it out. Very nice. 3 more from here. Breathe it in. Pull it in. This is 2. 1 more set. And 1. And rest. Really nice. Take a breath. Very, very good. Okay, we're going to do heel raises next. Okay, so you're sitting in the chair, and I'm going to challenge you to bring the arms up and then bring them down as you do it. And you don't have to do that. If you need more support, hold on to something. Hold on to a mom. And
It's
up
free,
and down.
no charge.
Okay, and up and down. I'm calling that 4. Nice and slow. That's 5. Up. This is 6. Breathe. Up. 7. Breathe. 2 more. Stand tall, sit tall. And 1 more. And down slow. Really working those calves again.
Yeah.
Super important for walking, and also they call it your second heart because it helps the lymph move throughout your body. So
That's good.
Nice work on working your calves. Okay, our very last strength move is going to be our favorite, our bicep curls. I want you to give me a really good fist, everybody. Really good fist. And I want you to give me that bicep curl. So up slow and down. Up slow and down. Good. Up slow. Down. Up slow. And down. Good. So 1, 2, 3, and up and down. Give me 1 more of those. 1, 2, 3, and up and down. Breathe. Now I want you to kind of reverse that, okay? We're going to go up and then slow down. 1, 2, 3, and up. And I want you to do up outside. See how I'm doing outside? You'll hit a different part of the bicep. Up and slow down. Up. Slow it down. Good. And 1 more. Up and slow down and rest. Woo! Nice work. How are you feeling?
Really good.
Okay.
I feel good.
That's it for our strength portion. So let's just sit tall again. I want you to sit tall. Take stock of your body. I want you to think about, as you're sitting tall, breathing, kind of take a scan of your body. How does it feel? Especially if you're recovering. How does your body feel, Mom?
Feel good. Feel good.
Get gentle movement. Really,
good to
really
move.
nice. Yes. All right, very good. Let's gently twinkle our fingers here, wake that up. Okay, let's do open close with our arms. Really nice, everyone. Okay, good work. Breathe. Okay, and let's give me that gentle side stretch. We hold here and bring it in. Hold here. Oh, yes. Bring it in. 1 more. Set each side. Good. Other side. Very nice. Let's do 3 inhale, exhales up. Okay, inhale up. And exhale out. Inhale up. And exhale out. And 1 more. Inhale up. And exhale out. Very, very good. Doing this gentle easing back into the exercise workout. And again, this was not about pushing yourself. This is about just getting back into movement and listening to your body and going with your flow. So great job on just showing up and just moving as much as you can. So really good. Make sure that you're drinking water, get rest, and just move according to your own pace. All right. So thank you so much for joining us. If you like this workout, let us know what you thought. Give it a like and do subscribe to our channel. We'd love to help you keep informed and get stronger every day. All right. So thank you so much. We look forward to seeing you soon. And in the meantime, keep moving gently and
stay strong.
see you soon.
See you soon.